Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, so many things to haul, unbox, so much stuff over here. But first and foremost, I need to put on my mascara. And I thought I'd do that with you real quickly. Using my little Marc Jacobs, it's a big mirror is why I got it. This color, I have to tell you, it's 102 Tan Trick in the Omega Bronze, and it's just too orange for me. If y'all have a suggestion of a really good bronzer that has no orange, like it's almost a gray brown, that's what I need. And I have yet to find one that, you know, they always say that it is. But this is just, look at it, it's peach. It's so orange. Anyway, but it's a good mirror. So, oh my gosh. Please tell me I brought the eyelash curler up. Did I? I didn't. So I'll do this later. Anyway, I will tell you this. Instead of doing a tutorial, I'll just tell you. I got the Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara. This one has a really nice butterfly, what am I trying to say, wand. What I mean by butterfly is it gets big, then it gets little in the middle, then it gets big on the end again. And it's the formula and the wand work well together to add a lot of volume. It's a nice gel formula. It's waterproof. That's why I do use an eyelash curler, because if you will go to the trouble to do an eyelash curler and use waterproof, it will stay. If you don't use waterproof, you can eyelash curl your eyes all day long. They'll just go right back down to where they were. But waterproof makes them stay. The other one that I really think I like out of the two the most is this Sky High Lash Sensational by Maybelline. Y'all, I keep going back to Maybelline. And of course, this is just really pretty packaging. It's, you know, it says Sky High and it's pretty pink metallic and it's 3D writing. And the thing that I really like about it is it's one of those prickledy comb ones. And the formula is really good because it's prickledy and they're pretty long. It does a good job of putting a gel thick formula on, and then the comb rakes it back off nicely. Always tip the ends first and then pull through, and I think you'll like both of these. My favorite is the Sky High. Okay, I'll have to do that somewhere else. What do I want to do? Well, a couple things. I wanted to show y'all when I went to Sephora. I also got 4 fragrances, and I shall open them for you now. The first one is LIBRA, and this is the Eau de Parfum Intense. And I did purposely get the Intense because I smelled both of them, and I like the Intense better. Let's see if it will name the notes. I love it when they actually name the notes because they really should. This is a yslbeauty.com if you want to get this. But I would highly recommend it. I like it. What would I say about what I would wear this to? You can always look up the notes. What would I do with this? No, it doesn't list the notes, by the way. It's really pretty packaging. I mean, you know, it's YSL. So, I mean, look at the beautiful gold letters. Black top. Very elegant top. What would I say about it? It's very romantic, feminine, but you need 1 squirt of this stuff and it lasts all day. This is very potent. It has great performance. And it's just a beautiful, warm, but I would say dressy smell. This is not an everyday. This is an evening out type of perfume. This, on the other hand, PASSIONE, and this is Eau de Parfum by Giorgio Armani. I guess you can watch me open these boxes. This one is so heavy, y'all. Look, so heavy it just fell right out. Here it is. It's a pretty bottle, y'all. That's real. Both of these bottles are very, very beautiful. This one is kind of like a tomato red color, very, very heavy glass. I gotta tell you, both of them are heavy, very heavy. And again, this logo wraps around 3D. This one is like, almost looks like a decanter. It's so pretty. And look at this beautiful top. This one I love. It's light. This isn't everyday. It's likely what I'll wear. I wore this out of the store, and I have to say, performance-wise, within about an hour, I didn't notice it anymore. So I'm gonna just purposely use this one again to see how does it perform over hours. But it's not as heavy. This is a good everyday. It's just, it can be around the home, going out with friends. It could be date nighty. You know, I like it for that. But it's not a heavy smell, whereas the YSL Intense, anything that's an intense is definitely, and these are both perfumes, which has, I believe, an oil base, and, you know, like a, I don't know, hold on, pull the transparent plastic stems off and gently remove the protective cover, the plastic stems. Alright, so this one's Nomad. It's also Eau de Parfum by Chloe. It says it's a natural spray. Lightly pull off this. Oh, I guess that's just because it's trying to make it very interesting. Nomad. Chloe's on the other side in gold. This is Nomad in gold plate. And it's just got a suede tassel. And it is more, let me put this one here. It's a little sharper, but y'all, this is really nice for every day and work because it's just a very clean smell. And I like this kind of smells just to be in an environment where clean is all I'm trying to smell. I'm not trying to smell romantic or heavy. This one, some people say, you know, this could be very boss lady because it's very, almost a masculine scent to it. It's very intense, very deep, some of the woodier smells. But I'll tell you, to me, this is not a boss lady smell. That is a date night. This could be worn to work, and this could be worn to work. And of the two, this one to me smells more like just a clean smell. And then last but not least, I got Giorgio Armani's My Way. Again, Eau de Parfum. Let's just see how it does. All of these I smelled in store, and I really liked them. If y'all would like me to do a perfume, specifically a perfume video, like my top 10 favorites or top 20 favorites is more likely. Let's see this. Oh, this is a beautiful bottle, y'all. Beautiful bottle. Look at that. That kind of like bean look. I have one that's similar, and it's red, and it's more like enamel. This is glass, and then it's got this beautiful strap over it, gold strap that says Giorgio Armani on it. It's called My Way. Holding it next to my face so you can kind of see how large it is. And woo! And its lid went some way we're back over there. It's not open yet, so we'll use this one over here. I know y'all are going, Beth, I hope you're not going anywhere. Wow, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Y'all, I like every one of my purchases. And they are just a smell for different occasions is what. These two, again, to me, are the two for work. They're clean. This is a little more floral and sweet, whereas this is just a plain, clean smell. I can't even portray how clean this smells. It just smells clean. So, you can look up all the notes of the fragrance notes of these. I could take forever to go through them. But since I'm just doing a haul of perfumes and not a perfume review, I'm not going to go into that. But I will tell you, all four of these are huge hits. I would definitely keep them. And then also, I got this at checkout at Sephora because I spent a lot of money. Let me just tell you each one of these. Chloe is $79. Giorgio Armani My Way is $78. The YSL Libra Intense, it is an Intense. It was $140. That's a lot. And then the C. Oh, I had to have the C shipped. They didn't have it. And I don't remember how much it is. But I mean, it's something you can look up. I'll try to get the links below. But anyway, because I spent a lot of money, I got a really good free kit, and it's Kilns, and it's got the Ultra Facial Cleanser, the Ultra Facial Cream, the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask, And the one I like the best is the Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. I'm really excited about that. So this was my free gift for buying all those perfumes. What else did I get? Let's see. I also stopped by Soma, and I'm going to be careful how I do this, but I will just show you this. I love their new bra, and it's called the Vanishing 360 Wireless. And what do I like about this? Now, I got 3 of the same color, actually 2 and another color. I already had black. I'm going to try to just roll this so that I'm like not trying to show off my boob or tell my size or whatever that is. I got it in kind of this blushy sand color, a little bit beigeier dark taupe color, and I got it in black. It does not come in white. But y'all, I really love this bra. It is so comfortable. And yes, it is more to buy a Soma bra. But y'all, they last so long. This is now caught on my bracelet. They last so long, and I love it. I love it. Highly, highly, highly recommend you getting a Soma bra, but especially the Vanishing 360. It just keeps straps from showing. It's comfortable. It's a wider strap up here. So just, especially if you're larger like I am, it's always either sliding off or it hurts. And so when I got this bra, I was like, it doesn't have either of those issues, and it gives me full coverage even on the sides. As you get older, it's just different. So I'll just put it that way. And then y'all, their pajamas, just go get a night shirt, nightie, pajama, whatever. I got this, and I purposely got this in a double XL, and I'll tell you why. It's probably going to hang off of me. But just because it will be so comfy, you know, it'll be nice and loose, and it's got that breathable material, and it's just so soft. And I also got another pair of the Soma leggings, which I absolutely love. They're very comfortable, they're very flattering, and they're very high quality. So anyway, that's it for this part of the haul, and then I will give you another haul in just a few